What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I do want to speak about Anthony Gordon and the potential role that he might be having in this upcoming season, because it does state here that Deco sees Gordon as a number 9, so there is no rush to sign 2 new strikers. Deco believes that with Gordon, a large part of Barcelona's need in the striker position has already been covered. Deco sees Anthony Gordon as an out-and-out striker. He believes it's the position where he can develop best at FC Barcelona. And so let's talk about that, right? Because this report is very interesting. I do think that with Deco believing that Anthony Gordon can play in the number 9 position, my first question is, does Hansi Flick also think that as well? And I wouldn't even be surprised if this could be in one of Hansi Flick's plans, because Flick has been experimenting. Flick has been thinking about using Lamine Yamal as a false number 9, maybe Fermin Lopez as a false number 9, but for sure it is between Lamine Yamal and Anthony Gordon. Why? That is because Anthony Gordon has experience playing in the number 9 position. I think that we can also say safely the same thing with Karim Adeyemi. Karim Adeyemi can also play in the number 9 position. However, I do think, and this is probably what might be happening, Flick does view Adeyemi much more as a winger compared to a striker. But let's speak about Anthony Gordon's potential new position at FC Barcelona. So if you guys are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm happy you guys are here. If you guys are Barcelona fans, this will be the perfect channel for you guys. This is where we talk about everything in regards to FC Barcelona. And so my name is Kevin Cortez. Welcome to this big community that we're building here. I'm happy that you guys are here. If you guys want to further support this YouTube channel, please click the thumbs up button. And if you want to even support me even more, subscribe to the channel so you won't have to miss anything. So here's the thing. I don't necessarily believe that Deco believes that Anthony Gordon can go into the number 9 position and replace Lewandowski's production. I don't think that. I do think that what they're doing here is preparing for worst case scenario, and they see Anthony Gordon as a striker. And even if Julián Álvarez does get signed, or if it's Lautaro Martinez or Osimhen or whoever, right, Anthony Gordon can always be an option. They do see him being very productive there. And when we look at his numbers in Newcastle in the last season, he started in 8 matches as a striker in the Premier League, playing 658 minutes with 4 goals and 1 assist. In the Champions League, he played 4 matches starting as a striker, playing 308 minutes and scoring 5 goals. So it's a combined total of him starting as a striker in 12 matches with 966 minutes, 9 goals and 1 assist. That equals to 1 goal every 107 minutes, 1 goal contribution every 97 minutes, 6 open play goals, and a expected goal rate of 0.82 and 3.6 shots per 90. Now here's going to be the very important context. 4 of those 9 goals that he scored in the Champions League came off of 1 match, which was against Karabakh, and that did include 2 penalties. So if you remove that game where he scored 4 goals, Gordon recorded 5 goals and 1 assist across 11 striker starts. I would say that this is respectable. It's not like the worst numbers in the world, but it's for sure not elite striker production. Like, it's not the best striker numbers in the world. I do think that for sure Anthony's numbers can be greatly improved at FC Barcelona, and I think that there's a huge difference between playing as a striker at Newcastle and playing as a striker at FC Barcelona, because you have players like Rafinha, like Lamine Yamal, like Fermin Lopez, like Dani Olmo that can all feed you the through balls. But what we can safely say is, in the Premier League, his numbers did improve centrally compared to when he did play and start as a winger, because in terms of the goals per 90 in the Premier League, centrally it was 0.55. Overall, it was 0.30. Goal contributions per 90 centrally was 0.68, and overall it was 0.40. The shots per 90 centrally, he recorded 3.83 versus 2.41. And then the expected goal rate per 90 centrally was 0.64 versus 0.47. So you can see that this central role that we're talking about here has been analyzed by Deco aggressively, because he's seeing that when Gordon is playing as a striker, he puts himself in great goal scoring positions. So this idea coming from Deco does make a lot of sense. You can see that Barcelona have already described him as a striker option. They do see him as somebody who can play on the left wing position and also in the number 9 position. Another thing is that he can lead Flick's press. It's very important for Barcelona's attack to lead the press, and Gordon did start centrally in 1 game against Aston Villa, and he made in that game 30 final third pressures and created 10 turnovers. That's the most important responsibility of Flick's striker without the ball. If he can bring those type of numbers at Barcelona, Flick will be a very happy man. Another thing is that he can attack those spaces exceptionally well. Like when the game is very open, Gordon does offer the acceleration, the diagonal runs between the center backs, and he can run behind a fullback as well. His constant movement, he reads all of these things very well. Starting him centrally also makes a lot of sense because you would be allowed to have the constant positional rotation. Like you could see Gordon slot into the left wing position while a player like Rafinha goes central. You can see Gordon slot into the number 10 position while a player like Fermin Lopez goes into the number 9 position. Gordon can go on the right wing position, and then you see Lamine Yamal take on that position as well. Gordon can play in all areas in a very comfortable way. It's going to be very dynamic, and for sure, starting him centrally would protect Flick's aggressive system. Gordon can lead the press from the front. You add in Rafinha on the left, Lamine Yamal on the right, they will be very well covered, and everything, I do see everything much more organized. And so in terms of like leading the press, he will be excellent. Running behind the defenders, he will be excellent. The repeat of high intensity sprints, excellent. The move across the front line, excellent. In terms of him generating those shots centrally, it's promising, but the link up play in tight spaces is something that I don't think is proven yet. Even when we ask him to hold off the center back, I would also question that as well. I also don't believe that him having that ability to meet those crosses from either Lamine Yamal or Rafinha, or meeting those crosses with a header to score a goal, I do think that's a weakness. Even Anthony Gordon said that. He said that during the press conference when he was being announced by Barcelona. He said that I do believe that I need to improve my heading game. But this is going to be the final verdict. I do believe that Anthony Gordon can show many of the qualities that Flick wants from a number 9, and I expect for Deco to have this idea lended to Flick and Flick to utilize this idea and for it to work very well, especially when you have quality players surrounding you, right? Because he's very mobile, a pressing striker, but he's not that traditional Lewandowski number 9 or a Benzema or a Luis Suarez number 9. He's not that. It's just going to give you a different weapon. But let me know in the comment sections down below. Do you like this idea? Do you like this idea of Deco seeing Anthony Gordon as a out and out striker, somebody who can go into the number 9 position when needed and perform and provide the value? Or do you see Anthony Gordon as just a true left winger and you want another striker up there to connect with Lamine Yamal, Fermin Lopez, and Dani Olmo? But that is it, right? That is going to be wrapping up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.